Hello everyone, welcome back with me in my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create the multi-level list in the Microsoft Word. This video tutorial is continuing the previous video about how to create or to put down the caption in the figure and table in Microsoft Word. So it's very easy. Let's get started. Okay, first of all, we put down the cursor in the title that we have made before, and then we choose the multi-level list in the Microsoft Word panel up in the both there, and then we choose the style for chapter 1, heading 2, heading 3, etc. We choose the style, and before we go any further, we define our new multi-level list first. Okay, now we can also change, probably we want to change the chapter style, but I'm gonna put it like this. Just I'm gonna let it. Now I'm going into the heading number 2, and I will define the list level, include the level number from level 1 in here, and also number style for 1, 2, 3 in the Roman style. And I'm gonna put the dot as to separate things, to separate the level number and also number style, and follow number with the space before we type the subsection or subchapter title right here. It will be followed by a space right here. The next is defining the heading number 3. It's gonna include the level number 1, level number 2, and also the number style, and once again separate it with dot style or point. Follow it also with space, and then click OK. And then I want to justify it, or put the title chapter title into the center, change the color into black, and put it bold. Probably want to change the style or put the title below the chapter. It's gonna be very easy. Just block it and then cut, and then just enter it to put a little bit space between the chapter title and the content, and then just paste in here. Okay, just change the size a little bit into 14. All right, it's done. Now the next things to do, I want to create this subchapter right here. Subchapter. Once again, we choose this multi-level list style, the same style. We block it and change the list level into heading number 2. It's gonna be automatically created by the Microsoft Word as 1.1 chapter, the number list of chapter 1, number 1. Okay, now I'm gonna put the title for this subchapter or subsection as the welding introduction. Okay, change the color to black and put it bold. Okay, now the next I want to show you how to create the sub of the subchapter, sub of the subsection. Once again, we choose the same list style, and we change the list level into heading number 3, and create a title as you want. And here I want to create the SMAW basic. Okay, the next content probably different with this content, but in this same subsection or subchapter of the welding introduction. Okay, now I'm gonna put up the title in here, put the cursor in here. Once again, choose the same style and change the list level into heading number 3. As you can see, it is continuing the previous sub of the subchapter or sub of the subsection from 1.1.1. Now it is automatically continue in 1.1.2. I'm gonna put the GTAW basic. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same for the rest. And if you do this into the next content of your writing, it's gonna be automatically set by the Microsoft Word if you follow my instruction step by step before. Okay. It will be the same if you want to create the next subchapter. Probably the next subchapter is the welding method. So it's gonna be the same. We choose the same multi-level list style and change the list level into heading number 2. It's gonna be automatically set into 1.2, continuing the previous sub chapter of 1.1, the welding introduction. I'm gonna put it the welding method. And for example, I want to put the next sub of the subchapter in 1.2.1. Next, we choose the same multi-level list style and change the list level into heading number 3. It's going to be automatically put or written in 1.2.1, and so on for the rest of the content. If you want to put the another subchapter of chapter 0.1, it's gonna be the same or similar for chapter 2. Probably you want to create chapter 2 in the next page. You just choose the same multi-level list. Don't forget, always choose the same multi-level list style that you have defined before. Okay, don't put or don't choose the another level list, because it's gonna be very different if you create the list of content. Probably it will not be detected by the Microsoft Word if you want to create the automatic list of content. So probably in here I want to create chapter 2. The title is the welding comparison. Oh, sorry, the welding parameters. Depends on you how you put the title. It's just a tutorial. It's just a sample. It's going to be the same like the previous chapter 1. You want to create the another subsection or subchapter right here. Just choose the same multi-level style and then change the list level into heading number 2. It's going to be automatically put or created by the Microsoft Word as 2.1, and so on with the rest of the subsection or subchapter and the sub of the subsection of or sub of the subchapter. Okay, actually this creating multi-level lists is very useful and very helpful if you want to create a list of content automatically from the Microsoft Word options or Microsoft Word feature. And this feature is very helpful, probably because sometimes your work will be very in very many pages, and it's going to be very tired, very exhausting if you create it manually one by one. Okay, that's all I want to show you. I want to give you the tutorial about how to create the multi-level list. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and probably you want to comment in the comment section. It's going to be very helpful for me. Okay, see you in the next video tutorial. Thank you very much for following me from the beginning of this video tutorial. Thank you.